you a small or a new YouTuber? Turn on this one feature and get your first 3,000 views. I'm a new YouTuber just like yourself. I started posting on this particular channel 2 weeks back and I got my first 3,000 views with this one feature. I launched this on this platform. Someone posted it. I tried it. It worked for me. 3 of my videos got the visibilities that all the videos that I've been posting since 2 weeks were not able to get. So let me show you what I did differently that was able to get me that 3,000 views plus. I'm telling you in this particular video. So let's go right into it. So here is the video that I'm talking about that got this visibility. As you can see, this particular video got 1.2k view in 2 days, and this one and the one on that is 1.2k each. I did something differently, and this is the first video I posted on this platform. The first thing is to click on the plus sign to import your video. Note, this works well for shorts. You know that shorts travel far. So if you use this method on your short, you're going to get that first 1k, 2k, 3k views that you've been yearning for. So once you click and you import your video, it will process. Then you click on add sound. Adding viral sounds will help push your video. So choose viral sounds and add to this so that it will help push this particular video. You add your sounds, you're going to adjust the volume so that it will not alter the sound of your video, because you already did a video, you're talking in your video. So you're going to adjust your volume so that it will not alter the sound of your own video. Then when you do that, you're going to process it. Then you have to choose your thumbnail. Choose your thumbnail first here before you proceed. When you choose the thumbnail, then you're going to add title. Please make your title to be short. Everything about YouTube short should be short. The title should be short. The hashtag should be short. 1 or 2 hashtags is enough. So you choose your hashtag and then you post this video. Please make sure it's on private because you're going to improve it on your YouTube studio. Then you post this video. Then you upload the video. Then you will now go back to your YouTube studio to complete the task. On your YouTube studio, you're going to click on content and then you're going to see that particular video you just uploaded. Then you click here to edit the video. Then you add description. Your description should also be short. Don't forget that. After adding your description, you add related video. This video, once it go viral, is going to attract visibility to the second video you're going to add here. Then you're going to add tags. Add as many tags as possible. All those keywords that can attract people to your video. All those keywords that people usually search on YouTube. Once you add it here, it will attract people to this particular video. Then you're going to check your category. Check your category to be sure to categorize this particular video. Afterwards, you can now put this on public and then save all this editing that you just did. You agree with me that YouTube is not a one-way street, meaning you will have to keep trying so many things until you're able to get it right. I tried this and it worked for me, and I hope it is going to work for you. Don't give up. Don't stop trying. We are going to start cashing out soon from this particular platform. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I love you and do have a beautiful day. Bye.